Sa tion sang Kasubo, ari ang Chapel of the Hills nga handa magbulig sa inyo. Ang Chapel of the Hills ang nagaisahanon nga nagahatag sang world-class crematory services sa bilog nga Iloilo. Kompleto ini sa nanari-sari nga amenities. Kasubong sang 5 air-conditioned rooms nga may tag sa kasala with TV and cabinet. Bedrooms, kitchen nga may kompleto nga gamit nga gindisenyo gid para mapasulhay ang inyo balatyagon.
Higato Funeral Home started in 1950 in Gimbal, Iloilo. It was been started by my parents and it has the whole coverage from Tigbawan, Gimbal, San Joaquin, Miagao, Antique, and Igbaras. So it was been changed in 1980 by the time I married Abisha, and it was been changed into Higato Abisha Funeral Homes. And 1997, we started Higato Abisha Funeral Homes in Altachera. We started Chapel of the Hills May 18, 2008. And this is the most modern funeral homes in Western Visayas. Ginaimbitaran ko gid ang tanan nga mga Ilonggo sa pagbuylog sang amon open house sa June 10, 2008. Everybody is invited.
Chapel of the Hills. We strive to help families create the most personal and meaningful tribute to their loved ones.